is Ritwik. Today we are going to learn vegetables. Hi Ritwik, what vegetable is this? This is tomato. Hi Ritwik, what vegetable is this? This is potato, Samiksha. What vegetable is this? This is onion. What vegetable is this? This is carrot. What vegetable is this? This is cauliflower. What vegetable is this? This is red chili. What vegetable is this? This is green chili. What vegetable is this? This is peas, Samiksha. What vegetable is this? This is cucumber. What vegetable is this? This is brinjal. What vegetable is this? This is garlic. What vegetable is this? This is corn. What vegetable is this? This is ginger. What vegetable is this? This is cabbage. What vegetable is this? This is turnip. What vegetable is this? This is pumpkin. Bye everyone. See you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe.